Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 处 or 处. Step by step, I will first write it in regular scripts, then following 2 words and 1 sentence. Let's write. This is a polyphone. It can be pronounced as 处 or 处. 处 place, office, or respect. As 处 means to be in, to stay, or to deal with. For example, 到处 everywhere. 到处 everywhere. 处于 处于 to be in position or condition. To be in 处于. Now check this sentence. We live in a world with a lot of troubled people that need help. 我们生活的世界到处都有处于困境需要帮助的人。We live in a world with a lot of troubled people that need help. We live in a world with a lot of troubled people that need help. 我们生活的世界生活的世界到处都有，到处都有处于困境，处于 to be in 困境，需要帮助的人，帮助的人，我们生活的世界 We live in a world生活的世界到处 everywhere 都有处于困境需要帮助的人 We live in a world with a lot of troubled people that need help. 我们生活的世界到处都有处于困境需要帮助的人。True in cursive. True, place, office, respect. 处 to be in, to stay, to deal with. 到处 everywhere. 处于 to be in position or condition. We live in a world with a lot of troubled people that need help. 我们生活的世界到处都有处于困境需要帮助的人。处 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 处. 处 I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.